Mettler Tolledo data collection applications, we've got several different styles of application. We've got formulation, which is a device such as this, where we're guiding the operator through the build of the recipe with high accuracy weighing to make sure the product has the right taste, the right quality, the right consistency. From a back-end point of view, we then have the management dashboards that allow the supervisor to create the recipes and to push them down into the production environment. Moving into check weighing, where we're looking at operator efficiency. We've got check weighing scales where the operator uses the colour display to ensure that he's got the right target, and then we collect the data automatically on the dashboard, and we can provide management information as well as real-time information back to the operator. All of these have Ethernet, wireless or wired Ethernet, that allow us then to connect to, for an Industry 4.0 point of view, of each device can be interrogated externally. Over here we then have very high accuracy weighing, where we're weighing down to 5 decimal places of a gram, and again that information then is displayed or can be captured automatically. This Ethernet IP all have their own IP address, and we can provide that information out onto the network. And finally we have digital load cells that again are IP addressable, that allow us to put a node on a network and have information shown directly to within your network.